Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subtitles appearing in AI videos on OpenArt. So if you're getting unwanted subtitles and text appearing in your AI videos that you can create from here, okay, or you are creating actually right here on this platform, it's usually caused by the model interpreting your prompt as video with text, or by dataset bias. Some models learned captions from training data, right? So guys, at first you will need to explicitly forbid text in your prompts, and that's the most important. So you must go here to describe your video section, and here you must clearly tell the AI not to generate text. So you will need to add phrases like no subtitles, alright, or no text, even no captions, no words on screen, clean frame, etc. Okay, so for example, you can go and type cinematic man walking in city, no text, no subtitles, clean video frame. Also guys, you can use a negative prompt if available. So in OpenArt video settings, you can add text, subtitles, captions, letters, watermark, logo, etc. So this blocks the unwanted overlays. And also guys, you will need to avoid the storytelling language. So the AI may think it needs to add captions if you write like this. So for example, no caption, a man says something, all right, or a story about something, or title sequence something. Instead, you can use pure visual description only. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.